Okay, your name is?
My name is Joe DiMaria, and what I'm going to show you today is our multi-language product. The product was born out of the demand for MAS90 and simply a different language for foreign customers. So what we did, we created a separate module for multi-language, which basically, well, let me show you the actual options for the module itself. The first module option is what we call our ELF language table builder. And what this does is, once run, it scans the entire MAS90 database, scanning program files, message boxes, crystal reports, screens, pop-ups, progress meter text. It basically scans the entire MAS90 database for any English language text. We build a table with the text, English text, and a column for the translation. So effectively what we're doing is we're picking up every bit of text available and giving the user the ability to take that text, English text, and translate it to any terminology that they want. So be it a foreign language or simply a terminology change to better suit the culture of the company. For example, say you've got a doctor's office and they don't want to use the term customer number as their customers. They want to perhaps have the term patient number, which is more appropriate to the culture of their company. They can do that. And by simply doing it in one spot, one place, and changing it globally across MAS90, it's much more efficient and effective than, for example, a custom office. And let me show you the, once this is built, the ELF table is built, you have your English language database table. From that you can translate and build your own.
Now, what languages do you support?
Currently we have a Spanish language template that's available.
See.
Or you could readily create your own templates on the fly.
Can you edit the words, like if you don't like the terminology?
Exactly. You could add, for example, in some cases there are bits of text that may not be picked up by the English language table builder routine. You can simply go in and add. We have a miscellaneous entry grid that allows you to go in and add whatever you want. If you see one little term for whatever reason it didn't get picked up in a message box somewhere, you could add a translation to it, and dynamically, once it's saved, it'll be viewable throughout MAS90.
Where does that get changed?
That's in the miscellaneous maintenance entry, which is all grid format. So you can say you want to add something in your Spanish language. You can do it here. You have your origin, and you have your translation. That's it. So wherever MAS90 searches for the word customer, wherever it's embedded in programs, crystal reports, non-crystal reports, anywhere, it's going to be translated on the fly. And we do everything dynamically, incidentally, so nothing is ever saved back to your database. Screens are loaded and translated on the fly by a customer, or I'm sorry, by user. One user can be assigned a template of Spanish language. Another user can be assigned just another English type translation. Terminology change, and they can run simultaneously. Let me give you an example. Currently I'm set up with user Joe, who is assigned just the English language. I could log in as Jose. As you notice,
there you go, it's all in Spanish.
It's already changed, yeah, it's changed to Spanish. You notice the menus.
Oh boy.
So if I select, for example, we go into Cuentas por Pagar, so I believe it's accounts payable. You notice our menus have changed here. This is vendor maintenance. You notice text has changed here as well. And there's vendor maintenance. You can see all the translations here. Tab, headers changed. Hyperlinks changed.
Now you say this also goes into crystal reports?
Crystal as well, yep.
Is that, so that's automatic?
That's automatic. We do that on the fly as well. No crystal report, RPTs are saved anywhere. It's done on the fly, and nothing saved at all. So print it, preview it. As soon as it's finished with its processing, it's gone. For example, even your ALE lookup, you can see the columns have changed, drop boxes have changed, operand options have changed, buttons. If I close out of here, let's print the vendor listing. See here, everything, drop boxes, everything's in Spanish. Grids, preview it. Progress meter, if you noted that was also translated on the fly. You can see Espanol.
There you go. Now, what's the cost on this?
Currently, we have a promotion. The standard cost is $3,500. That includes the year of maintenance, first year of maintenance. We're offering a promotion right now, $2,500. $2,000 costs, $500 first year maintenance.
Okay.
That's for our DSD's 25th anniversary.
Does that cover all companies? There's not a per company license, or
No.
So it's as many companies as you're running on your licensed copy of MAS.
Yep.
Excellent. Thanks.
Very well.